Litecoin. That's a name I've not heard in a long time. But Litecoin has been exploding recently, and honestly, I think that this could be just the start for, crypto's silver. The technicals are looking pretty gosh darn bullish right now, and there's actually a few fundamental reasons that you may not want to be ignoring Litecoin in 2021. In this video, I will explain why Litecoin could be going to $1,000 or more in 2021. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, subscribe to the channel, smash the thumbs up button, and click on the bell to ensure you catch all of my videos. By the way, every week my team and I publish the Wealth Mastery Investor Report. So every single issue of our investor report is going to contain a deep dive on an altcoin. We do a trending coin analysis. We have an interview with an industry leader. We have the latest token sales. Often as well, we have opportunities for you to get into private sales for a lot of people who clicked onto these particular sales. We have a step-by-step DeFi tutorial, top tier technical analysis, and much more. All of that for less than $10 a week, making this the most value-packed and at the same time most affordable investor report on the market. Don't miss out on another issue. Click on the link down below in the description to become a member today. Okay, so let's take a look at the charts. What the heck is going on with Litecoin these days? And in this video, we're only looking at kind of the higher time frame stuff, since it really helps us put into focus the kind of mega breakout that is underway for Litecoin right now. We can see here on the weekly charts that Litecoin has just broken out from what is really just this incredibly big double bottom, which is a bullish chart pattern. Now that double bottom was formed over the entire course of the bear market. We have now seen a successful breakout from this bullish pattern and even had a great situation where we had this retest of that line of resistance, which is the green line on the chart here. So we had a retest of that, flipping it from resistance into support, basically setting Litecoin up on a launch pad for a massive price run, technically anyway. Litecoin has been, though, seriously lagging behind a lot of the other big coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum and Cardano, all of which have now gone on to break above their previous all-time highs. Some of them, like Bitcoin's like 3 times above its previous all-time high almost right now. They're all in price discovery, but little old Litecoin still around 45% under its previous all-time high, which is pretty surprising considering just how bullish the entire market is right now, and that Litecoin is and basically always has been a top 10 crypto asset and remains very popular with a strong community of people behind it. Litecoin has just seen a rejection at a very important area of historical resistance, which is the red arrow you can see on the chart here. Now, what I would love to see right now is a pullback to the bottom green line with a price point of around $185. That would be a great area to buy in. That's indicated by the green arrow on the chart here. So it could be a good area for an entry for the coming moon mission for Litecoin. Maybe not, but that's definitely an area of interest for me as a buyer looking to get a position in Litecoin. Anyway, if we can break that area of resistance, then we need to crush $420 to finally enter into price discovery for Litecoin. Now, Litecoin, much like with other major assets, will likely spark a parabolic price rally when we do pass over those previous all-time highs. The first major post all-time high target would be around $640, but I think that a price of $1,000 per Litecoin during this bull run, really not that crazy of a target. In fact, maybe it's even too conservative, but it would certainly be a nice area for some gains. By the way, we've been tracking this Litecoin trade for a few months now in the Wealth Mastery Investor Report. Rec Capital has been keeping us really up to date on what's going on with Litecoin. So I know there's a lot of members who probably took advantage of this opportunity, and if they did, to be well in profit at this point. Anyway, that's the technicals right now for Litecoin. Not super in-depth, just a quick overview of the bigger time frames. But we do have some bullish fundamental catalysts coming up for Litecoin as well, which could definitely cause some price excitement. Now, the first big catalyst is the upcoming Mimblewimble upgrade. Now this is going to be introducing privacy features for Litecoin. There will be a big code release for Litecoin's privacy upgrade on March 15th. Now to be clear, that code release, that's not rolling out to the mainnet. It's just going in for a review phase. So how long it's going to take for actually Mimblewimble technology to make it to the Litecoin mainnet, who knows? But, you know, progress is happening anyway. And that progress could just be enough to give it that little bullish spark for some good old-fashioned price mooning. But something that could act even more as a price catalyst for Litecoin is the upcoming Flare token airdrop to Litecoin holders. Now these are the same guys who did the airdrop to XRP holders back in December. They're going to do another drop now, but to Litecoin holders. Now the airdrop for XRP caused a massive price run shortly before the airdrop happened. A similar event for Litecoin is likely. Here's the tricky part though, we don't know when that airdrop is going to be yet, although it's likely going to happen at some point in Q2. But we don't, again, have an exact date for the snapshot for the airdrop yet. But I can certainly say this, the crypto community, they love getting freaking airdrops. And there's a big history of coins seeing massive run-ups in the days before an airdrop happens. So I would suspect something similar to happen with Litecoin. Also worth noting is that humble little Litecoin is also listed on basically all of the big exchanges. And as silly as it sounds, many investors are going to start looking at Litecoin as a cheaper alternative with Bitcoin over $50,000. You look at Litecoin, it's like, well, I can afford that. It's only a couple $100 a coin. I can buy one of those. Litecoin also listed over on PayPal, which is continuing to grow in relevance as an exchange. And that's all retail over there. Those are people who are going to look and go $60,000 Bitcoin, $200-something Litecoin. Meaning that there's a lot of room for fresh money to flow in, since particularly on PayPal, they have 4 options. And one of them is Litecoin. Litecoin is also listed around Grayscale, but I think Litecoin really hasn't managed to capture that serious interest from the big investor crowd yet. That being said, we're starting to see more and more institutional money taking an interest in altcoins. They're starting at Bitcoin, they're dabbling in Ethereum. They'll start getting down all the altcoins eventually. Litecoin could benefit from this when that happens. But what do you think? Will Litecoin go on to make some really massive gains, smashing $1,000 a coin, or is there just not enough momentum behind this old boy to make it really see a big move? I'd love to know your opinion down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.